And previously we were completing the Zerodha one, right? And in that we have developed the header, footer, and we were about to complete the main part. Mhm. So this is what we have done till now, Zerodha. And last, I think two sections were left. So let's quickly complete this part, and then we will see that how we can style the React components. And this section and only this part is left. Okay, this is a image. Architecture, I already told you, you have to check how many columns are there. First thing, whenever you need to design any particular part, any particular component, just check how many columns are there. Your design should be specific to column in most of the case. If it is not working, you can go with the row based design. In most of the cases, you will be going with the column based. So one and two columns are there, and this is just a image, right? This is just a image. So let's design it, and we are working in the main component. Third part we have completed, so we can close it. And it is going to be our fourth part. Now understand it. Two columns are there. You can keep this image directly because there is nothing with this image, or else you can create a container and keep the image inside that. Both thing you can do. So inside the fourth section, let me create a container and then we will write it. Only the dynamic link you can give for the image, and as the image is of the same size, so no need to change its size, it will come fine. In the second container you have to design this part, this. Okay, create a container again. Inside this, let's check. At first you have a heading free and open market education.
This meeting
Fourth,
is being
so we
recorded.
can open the corresponding CSS file also. To this I will say that you are displaying a flex. It's coming in this way. Adjust them properly, so give space around. Align the items in center and justify the content space around. Between also you can give, totally depends. So because we have to leave a padding, that's why. Free and open source, open market education. After that, it's a paragraph. Generally, you can directly keep. So after this heading, one paragraph is there. Then is a link. So let's create it. We need to give href also. If we are not giving href, what will happen? Anchor tag will be treated as a paragraph tag, so we need to give at least simple hyperlink, or you can give slash, has, anything. Slash and has both means the same page. Slash and home means same page, it will be loaded again. So something like this it is coming now. Free and open market education, this varsity. After that, again a paragraph. And then at last, again, trading Q&A. Link, obviously. If you're not writing href, this is how it will come. Trading Q&A. So we need to give href to treat it like as a link. Now, this is how it is looking in our design. This is how it is supposed to look. So they should have a space between them, right? And if you are thinking that let's give space between, right? This is what you can think. It will not change anything. Why? The reason is image is a inline element, so it will adjust. You have to decrease the width for this container because it is taking all the width which is available, right? Let's try to do it. So this container, let's give it a id as market, call it width of, decrease it, let's say 30%, right? If you are saying that width is 30%, this is how it will come now. It's changing. What will be the width of this one? If you are not writing any width, this is how it is coming now. Means it is taking all the available width. We need that it should not take. So just say that you can take the width 50%. Take 50% width. Don't take all the width that is available to you. After that, this is how it will come. Color, obviously you can change. So you can change the color of parent only. They will accept it also, right? Now there is a large section, simple heading, paragraph and button, but we'll design it. So fourth part, now we can close. Okay. Inside this heading, paragraph and button, simple thing is there. And then there is a button we have actually designed it in the first component also, same button, sign up for free. So you can copy the same thing because it is having all the same designs. And this is what you are getting now. Same button is still coming because same id is there. Open a Zerodha account. Now if you want it in center, because it's in center, so call the fifth section. After that, display flex, huh? Textile, text align. There are lots of option, right? If you are saying text align center, let me do it also. Okay, aligning the text in center. You can give other things, display block and margin auto, it will also work. Lots of things are there. And if space is not looking proper somewhere, you can just give br tags. and it will fine. When you are designing, don't copy paste the things, right? What is ever is actual there. It's for me only, not for you. So now what we did is for a single page, we have defined three different components to use. And this is how we are closing up with the Zerodha. And we are starting the new topic from today onwards, that is styling the React component. Till now we are using CSS, but we are not actually given the topic overview that how it is getting used. So that day I gave you a problem that writing the inline style is not me. We can write, but not in the way that we used to write. We need to change something in that. Okay. And then of course Bootstrap is there. There's a choice between Bootstrap and Tailwind. First thing, both are not there. As you are done with the Bootstrap, so we'll go with the Bootstrap. But as I promised, we'll discuss Tailwind also, right? Because hardly it will take 2-3 days. So we'll have this session for Tailwind also. But at first, we will design our component using Bootstrap, but Tailwind also we will discuss. Either way, Bootstrap is easy. Tailwind is difficult. Now let's start. Complete this Zerodha. This is a task to all of you. Whatever we are doing in class, it is your task. I don't want to give you that HW, that this is your task right at the top. Open your diary, write your homework. Not like that. Whatever we are doing, it is your duty to perform that task. Okay. Now, today onwards, we are going to start the next module. I think I have shown the syllabus earlier also, what we have completed till now. So, starting from top, module 1 is completed. Module 2 also completed JavaScript revision, React basics, and how to work with component, what is JSX, functional component, class-based component, props and state, component lifecycle. Let me ask the question now. What is the life cycle of a component? How many layers are there? How many levels are there? How many steps are there? Yes, sir. Don't know? 4 stages. What is the first stage? Second, third, fourth. Very good. Component composition and nesting means you can use another component inside each other. Then building a simple React component. We did two. Then working with the React state, how to handle the state, stateful and stateless component, form control component. This form is a newer topic actually, forms in React. Here. Okay, React forms. This is another topic. That topic should not be there. We'll discuss it. After that, interactive counter we have done. And here also we did 2-3 projects. And then rendering the list and conditional content, like how to conditionally render the component, working with the list, how to map your list. But here we have done lots of project actually, Dino list and tic-tac-toe, and we have done a lot. Counter we have done, miss my quiz. Quiz was also done by using state only, rock paper, tic-tac-toe. It was only one project to discuss here, only one, but we did at least 3-4 project. After that, now we are starting this module 7, that how you can style your component in React. Okay. So here we'll see styling the React component. Why do we need to style the React component? Why do we need to style our component? Not in React. Means why we use CSS or any other styling tool? What was there before the development of CSS? Was there something that we can use before CSS? HTML only. Why we are writing style? Is there any use case or simply we are writing it? Is there any need of using styles? Say it loudly. For better looking, to make interactive. To make interactive, we do JavaScript, not CSS. Attractive. So you want to say that we need to do something for looking attractive, right? You know, Principal Star. You know, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें करता है वो. For making good user experience. That is the right answer. For making the good user experience. Because generally, user is a human. If user is a machine, then you can only write HTML and keep the JavaScript into it. It will check button because we human have a tendency to go for the best looking thing, right? This is the general tendency of a human that we will choose something which is looking good, right? Now, there is a question that Amazon is there and Flipkart is there. Name any three other e-commerce companies other than Amazon and Flipkart. eBay, Indian, and 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 lots of are there. But if you ask generally, these two are the only player in the market, right? What is the reason behind it? Why they are attracting more user? Offers. There is no offers on Flipkart and Amazon. Don't think that there is any offer. I have worked there, so I know there is no offer. They are taking it from you and giving it to you. That is the offer. You know how their offers works? Let's say you want to purchase a chair which is costing something around this. So what they will do? I have done it. No. It is available in 999. They will show that real price is 1200, but now you are getting it for 999 and you will purchase it. Yes, we did it. We have to do it, you know. But I my question is, are they having very good user interface? No. I am talking about good user interface. I will show you more good looking e-commerce website than Amazon and Flipkart. More good looking. Like your eyes will be like this by seeing those website. And I will show you one more website. Just guess its turnover. Actually, I'm a co-founder to this website, this particular business, so I know. Just this is a e-commerce website. It is from my natives. Just tell me what will be the turnover of this website. Is it good looking good? Array, is it looking good? I don't like it actually. And I'm a co-founder of this. Till now, I don't like the design here. But I don't like it. Just guess how much they will be earning. Hello? They only deal in these categories. Generally, for the fancy dress for the kids. That's it. They don't have too much of the variety. They are having only fancy dress for kids. This one only. Like others are there, but these are the main products. 1 CR every month. every single month. Revenue I'm talking about, sales, profit margin is around 35 and 40% because own things are there. And this is by one of my student only. How he started is by purchasing from Amazon and Flipkart and selling them. This is how he started 3 years back. Yes, he was the dumbest student of class. So he called me that, sir, can you develop my website? I said, I will charge. He said, okay, I'll give you partnership. Generally, I don't do these things, but he was looking serious. I did, and it's still a good decision of my life, right? But now I am not a working member in this because of my workload. Means I am not doing anything in coding. How to invest in this business? Not in this business, shares are not open. For this particular, he started drop shipping first, purchasing from somewhere, selling it to someone. Second, he started a shop, like taking bulk orders from any vendor and then selling them, listing them. Now he is having 40 designers, 14 actually, not 40, 14 designer studio where they are stitching all of these dresses by them own. 14 in 3 years. Whenever you are going to Noida, you can tell me, go there, take my name, purchase whatever you want, but you are not even a kid. What you will do by purchasing these things? Now, if you want to purchase for your kids, you can do. So, is it a good looking website? No. But there is a good thing in this website. See, search the search box. We just increase the height width. That's it. They're not doing anything. Just increase the height width. No fancy things, nothing. But the once you use this website, there is going to be a good user experience. What is user experience? What is user experience? Let me discuss it because we are styling the React component now. So there are two things, UI and UX. UI means user interface. So if you are saying that it is attractive, high quality design, this is UI. Then if you are saying UX, user experience, user experience, it means that how user will feel by using your website. It doesn't matter how ugly it is, how good it is, it doesn't matter. I have one more e-commerce, like I just little bit worked on this one. See this website now, excellent design. This one, they are hardly paying the salary to their employees, hardly, because the user experience is not good. I will show you one more website, and I am associated to all of them. See this one, this is a Mumbai based. See this one. For this front, whatever is coming on front, I designed this part, this one. See, simple. 50 lakhs a month. You don't believe these things, right? Let me show you. I will just show you that how many orders we got today, right? So actually, I'm the again a co-founder for this and the technical CTO here. CTO, you understand? Chief Technical Officer. I will just show you the orders. Wait, let me log into it. Wait, don't talk. And the user experience is only good here. Design is very bad. How I have told this thing many times to the team that change the design. They don't listen to me only. Yeah, they don't listen. Don't guess. It is a very long password. You can't guess it. Click on the eye icon, sir. Sir, I am clicking, but I don't know why it is not getting clicked. You can't even do anything. If I show you the password also. If I am the CTO behind it, think you can't do anything. Orders 1670 today. That we have to check at the after taking your class. That what we get today, we need to process them. 1670 for today only. And this is the entire backend of that website. Entire backend. If you or you, I can actually tell the price also. Let me tell you that what is our profit margin in this website. So this is a drone actually, and all these are Chinese product. We used to import them from China, right? We have to import them from China. This one, I think this one we have removed. All of these are. So for this drone, I will tell you this one DM99. Price is 3,199. If you check its market price, it is going to be 10,000. We are giving it in 3,000, which is costing us only 600. Only 600 for this drone. There is one highest sold product. I'll show you that also. That we have sold in lakhs of quantity. This one, machine gun. Means this is a pressure washer. You can wash your car, bikes with that. 1700 is the cost, I think, for this. This one only. Let me check. Okay, something is not working today. 1700 is the cost with batteries actually. It runs on batteries. With battery, it is costing us 1700. No, we are selling it with batteries to the customer as 1700, which is costing around 400, 550. That's it. Yes. Why I am giving only the example of this. So this Home Life Trader is the first e-commerce that we did. So I was showing this example to that fancy dress thing, and he got an idea and he started that. So if you have idea, work on it. If someone is working before you, you will feel hurt. And same thing happened with me actually. How many of you know about this particular thing? MPL. How many of you know this? Mobile Premier League. Playing games, winning money. My brother used to play game a lot. A lot. And when he was thinking, I used to think that okay, yaar, I will build one application in which two players will play. One will be the winner and he will get the money. I was just thinking this, lost 500 rupees in within 3 months. Someone from Bangalore did it. At that time, I felt okay, leave it. It's not a big deal. Let them develop. I got hurt when it became a unicorn. Unicorn, you understand? This company did a business of $1 billion, 8,000 crore. I thought, okay, money is not everything. We have values. To satisfy myself, I used to say these things. I got more hurt when they made Virat Kohli as their brand ambassador. I said, now we have to do something. Right? He's my favorite player. Not now. Till 2019 only. After, Ledu. Forget the cup, guys. Every year, April and May, in April only, I will be happy. Generally, I'm not working in May. Wherever I'm working, I don't work in the half part of the May because I know I will get hurt. So let's plan a trip and enjoy somewhere instead of getting bored at home. I'm giving you all of these example because colors, design is not important. User experience is important. There is a history about eBay. Open the eBay. This one. There is a history about it. What was the world's first e-commerce website? World's first. Search it. World's first e-commerce. Definitely it was not in India. It was a foreign. Search it. Don't talk, guys. Which one? PNC. BC. BC. Arey, that one only I am saying BCE. Hey. Okay. I'm telling you the story. Search about it. So there was a e-commerce website. They just changed the color of their website. Generally, we follow a color code, right? We follow a color code. It's not like that you are making a rainbow here. You will use all the colors. No. We have a brand guidelines that this is what we will follow. I will show you someday. We have brand guidelines. In that, they just change the color. What they noticed is usership is dropping now by 60%. Means if we are getting 100 orders, now we are getting only 40 orders by changing the color only. Why? Because we human have a tendency to stick to our actions, right? We have a tendency to stick to our action. Like in which way? My tendency is whenever I'm getting the class over, I'll open my mobile, walking through the class. Tendency. Even if it is not with me, I will search for it because you can call it a craving after the class that for using the mobile. Whenever I'm going home, my first tendency is to keep the bag and throw it along with the laptop. Yes, this is a tendency. Daily we do it. So we human are stick to see the things that we want to see. We don't want change, right? We don't want change. This is our tendency. We don't want change, right? So for that, I'll show you right two things here. Arey, listen. Do you have any startup idea? If you have, it will be helpful for you. Let's say you want to run any business, right? Any business, any. I'm not talking about any food industry or e-commerce or anything. Only two things works here. One is recommendation and other is retention. Only two things. I think I have told you that to how many startups I am the co-founder and founder. No, Remember or forgot? I didn't told you. Okay, someday I'll told you. There are only two things that I believe in: recommendation and retention. What is recommendation? Let's say Deepak is one of my friend. I am staying in Hyderabad from a longer time. He is coming Hyderabad for the first time. He asked me that what is the best North Indian restaurant here. Now let's say I went to any particular X restaurant that I liked as a North Indian. No, I am not watching Shark Tank. I don't have time here. I'm creating the thing, so I don't love these things. So I will recommend him that no, that restaurant is very good for North Indians because we have a different taste. He will go there. This is called power of recommendation. That you are getting recommended by someone that go to that restaurant that is very good for North Indians. Generally, it is Santosh here in Hyderabad. That too was recommended to me by someone. Someone recommended me that once you try Santosh, it is good for North Indian. I went, liked the food. I got some home feeling by eating that food. Next time I went to Santosh only. That was retention. Means your customer was returning to you. Right? Let's say Deepak came first time. I recommended to Deepak that go to Santosh. He went, but he didn't like the food. Next time he will not ask my recommendation. He will say this person is mad. And he will never return to Santosh also. Right? So these are the only two principles of business for me. Power of recommendation, power of retention. Power of recommendation will only work if your user experience is good. Now let's say food is good, but the service, the waiters are very rude there. Then also I will not recommend to Deepak. That I will say food is good, but people are arrogant there. Don't go. We have self-respect, right? Why we should compromise with it? Recommendation only works when the user experience is good. Doesn't matter the product, right? Retention only works when the product is also good. Remember this thing anytime. Recommendation will only work if the user experience is good. Means user came to you and felt very happy. Felt very happy. See, I once I deleted Facebook from my mobile, right? Like 7, 8 years back. Until now, I didn't install it back, and I'm not even using it. Same is with my three of cousins. They also don't use recommendation, right? I am on other platforms. They are also on the same platforms. They can use. It's not like that, but they are not using it. Recommendation. If it is bad, it will be bad. If it is good, it will be good. How you can improve this user experience now? Now, all of things that we are discussing it for user experience only, right? How we can improve it? I'm asking you only. You guys are mature. You are using lots of things in terms of website, mobile apps. What one is the one thing that you try to see in each and every website that no, this is good here? Deepak, what is the last website or app that you used before coming to the class? Instagram. No. Except those social media application. Any new thing. Go to any government website and check the user experience there. Very pathetic experience. Have you used any government website? No? Try to use which one? Array. Now passport is good because it is managed by TCS. Now it is good. When I used the passport website for my passport, pathetic experience. IRCTC is the next example. Try to book a Tatkal ticket here. You cannot even book a Tatkal ticket. You cannot book. It will get lag. Even if you have a very high speed internet. Why our government websites are end up in WT list? Yeah, it happens. I stopped traveling by train very few years back. I don't travel. This is the only thing that I have as a fantasy. That I don't travel with train. I can go by walk. That is acceptable, but not by train. Because of this pathetic experience only. Booking the tickets. Even I cannot book. How you can improve this user experience now? Designs. No, I will show you the IRCTC website. It is very good looking. See, very good looking website. User interface it is. What it is? User interface, not the user experience. Search the user experience once. You will see lot of different thing. User interface, we understood that, okay, this is the designs, color, text, font, whatever. What is user experience? Ease of using. Ease of using means how easily people can use it. How easily people can use it. See, as a developer also or something, like I don't like slow things. If someone is walking slow, I will literally get irritated of it. Yes, if laptop is working slow, mobile is working slow, internet is working slow, it is very frustrating for me. For me, if thing is fast, that's fine. How easily you are able to use it. Now let me show you one website. Let's talk about this one only. Let's say I am traveling from Hyderabad to Delhi. What happened? Search it. The interface is coming here. You cannot understand it. If you are not a frequent user to it, you cannot understand this interface, that what it is showing now. If I want to select a filter here, now same thing, let's do it on Flipkart. Means now we will not search ticket there, we will search something. Let's say mobiles, we will search. Saw some difference? Now this is the difference between user experience. Look here. I searched Hyderabad to Delhi train on sec today only. Like for this, you can change the date. Same output result it will give you. Let's say 11th. Same things you are getting. User experience. Now let's check. Can you understand it? Let me select this Rajdhani Express only. Let me book this ticket only. Understand it? Is it saying something? There, very short. You cannot even see it. As a developer, we know that pop-up is coming. And normal people will say, why it is not clicking? First thing, it is saying that at least select a class. Which class? I am in second class. These are the three classes available here. Select class here. Now, again, no tickets are not available. And Hyderabad to Delhi is the busiest route, or Delhi to busiest route. You have to book tickets prior to 1 month or 1.5 months. That's why I don't travel, because my plans are sudden. That's why tickets are never available. See, today's second and tickets are not available till 16th also, 15, 16. This is also waiting, which is hardly yet to clear. Not at all. This is the user experience of this website. I don't even like it. Here things are somewhat proper, that this is the Apple. Picture is coming, detail is coming, price is coming. Let's say I am very poor, I want to purchase this phone only. Open it. Buy now. Ask, very big thing. Login, you have to log in. Not like that select class. Very small. All of these things affects the user experience. Design doesn't matter for the user. Tell me one thing. Not this question is for girls only. For how many websites you have checked the color? No, this website is not matching with my nail pen today. Have you done that? Never. Stupidness it is, right? When you are not seeing the design, think about boys. We don't even see designs. Right? This is the correct thing. Even I am a developer, I don't see anything. Design, okay, fine. It should work good. Design is not related to, I will show you the designs, excellent designs, but they are loss making startups or loss making companies actually. Loss making. And loss is not in thousands, it's in CR. Let me show you one, but no. Loss I can't show you guys because again you will search about it. But yes, in Hyderabad also, I know one startup or one company you can say loss making. Design is excellent. Excellent design. So design is not proportional to user experience. Then what matters for a user? As a user, what you will see in a website? See, forget about all the social media that we are generally using. Let me take you to the passport website, which is generally good nowadays, right? Which is generally good nowadays. When I applied, it was very, very bad. Very bad. You can check, it is maintained by TCS now. Site maintained by Tata That's why it is good. That passport website is maintained by TCS now. Earlier, all the government websites are meant. I think I have told you this. NIC. No? All the government websites are generally maintained by this particular organization, National Informatics Center. And you cannot even guess the age of developers there. 50, 55 years. Very experienced holders. Right? So they are part-time developer and they are developing the things. Only one time they will hire a good developer to develop, working and go. They don't update the UI, UX, nothing they update there. Now let's see this website. So case is very simple. You want to apply for a passport. How many of you know passport? What is passport? If you know, just define it in one line. What is passport? You know passport, but can you please define it in one line? Yes, sir. What is passport? See, ID proof, Aadhaar card. Why we need passport? Then we have Aadhaar card, PAN card, lots of things we have. How you will specifically define passport? You don't have answer. Passport is international ID. No. Passport is a government approved document which gives you permission to travel outside of the country. That is passport. So whenever you are going to any country, let's say you are going to Dubai, so they will mark a stamp on your passport that you visited Dubai at this date. You visited Thailand on this date. Right? So everything is available on that passport. You know the things, but you don't know the things. Now let's say you want to create a password. New user registration, you will go. See. Think. Check it. User registration. Because I already have an account. But now, registered to apply yet. Can you understand what does it mean? Registered to apply yet. You cannot even understand. Date of? Say it loudly. Location. Registered to apply yet. What do you mean by CPB Delhi? Things are written in a way that normal people cannot even understand it. Frankly, if I say I don't know what is CPV, because this is newly added. Now, what you will select here? Okay, by default passport office. Let's go with this. Now, passport office in Hyderabad. Selected. Given name. Array no. Next time it is asking date of birth. Let's say after this I will select some date of birth. Fine. 1990, 1991. Deepak. 2000. Aye. Okay, done. Do you want login ID? Same, yes. Now here you login ID. Give login ID. What is your login ID? See, everything is in front of you. Tell me what is login ID here. Date not changed. Array, no problem. Deepak is just born yesterday only. I think on the 31st we were or 30 or 31st we were talking about the load in Zepto and Blinkit, all of these. In your class only we did, right? Have you seen the tweet of the co-founder and CEO of the Blinkit? Check it. What people are ordering. Yes. Let me show you. So I think we can read some of his tweets without. Arey guys, don't talk please. So some of the tweets are available. Okay. Only the previous ones are coming. But let me open. I'll show you. You can go to the Twitter and check. I will just tell you that what was the workload on Blinkit and Zepto at the New Year's Eve. Don't talk. So you can go to the Albinder and Twitter and search it. So it is his tweets. Let me read out for you. Someone from Hyderabad just gave the highest tip of the day, 2,500 to one of our delivery partner. He was posting all of these things in the war room. They didn't get any holiday like us. We have hit the highest OPM, order per minute, and OPH, order per hour. All time higher orders also happening in another 10-15 minutes. I cannot read it out actually, whatever it is written here. You can go and check. First line I am not reading out. Second is 45,531 bottles of mineral water. 22,322. Again something. You can check on the Twitter. Per minute. So technically they are holding at least 50,000 transactions in a single minute. 50,000 transaction. How many like quick delivery apps you know other than Blinkit and Zepto? Blinkit and Zepto you know, right? Other than Blinkit and Zepto, Instamart. Other than that, we don't know, right? Big Basket. Big Basket generally delivers next day also. It's not every time. Every time. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Already checked it, sir. Generally, I don't have time to go to market, so I do Big Basket only, sir. Pin code. My pin code. Grocery delivery. You are not get array. Fight outside the class, not here. I am just saying Big Basket not delivers everything every time in 10 minutes. Right? Not every time. Sometime, let's say you want to order fresh vegetables. Will it deliver in 10 minutes? Array. It will come next morning. If you are ordering fresh, it will not come. Right? So I'm saying that how they are holding. Now let's come to user experience actually. Blinkit and Zepto both have good experience. That's why they are working. Now what login ID you need to give? See, as a user or as a developer, we used to write email ID. This is a problem here. People don't understand what is this login ID. Here they are writing, do you want your login ID to be same as your email ID? What if I don't want? Then what is the login ID? Now you, all of you are done with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Tell me what is this login ID? It is not, it is like not optional. It is mandatory. You have to write it. Tell me what is the login ID here? What is the login ID here? See, now as a developer, you don't know that what we need to write in login ID. How a person who don't know anything about development, who don't even know HTML, right? And in my family only I know what is HTML. No one knows. If I'm asking to my parents what is HTML, they will give HT on this face and ML here and send me away. How they will do it? This login ID is the username here. You know this? No. If you are not clearly mentioning that it is a username, how it a normal let me write here Shivam now. After I written Shivam, let me write some random password here. Am I audible now? Fine. Now for the password, again you have to click on something that will show you the password policy. But why? They can easily show this same thing here, but they will not show, right? They will not show. These all are things the user experience. Go to any social media application. It is very easy to create account there. Very easy. Very easy. But not here. User experience. For me, user experience is if user is clicking less number of times, then user experience is good. If user is scrolling less number of time, user experience is good. If user has to click multiple times to do the simple thing, not good. Remember this thing, as a developer you need it. Did anyone went to the TCS drive on first, or you were also doing Zepto and Blinkit only? No one missed it. You went there. Who said you that they are asking experience? Their job post. What I said that 0 to 1 they are hiring. I said this. So you are in the category of 0 experience. You missed it. Because one of my student whose JavaScript I am taking, he got. And your React is going on. What he did, he went sharp 8. He got token, went inside, interview done. February is the joining date, he got something. All the rounds are done now. Same day only. He got joining date in February. He was telling, but I forgot. If I am coming up with opportunities and I am saying it to you, I know that you are fresher. I know this thing or not. I know that you are fresher. Why I will give such opportunities to you if they are asking experience? That shows that how much serious you are to get a job. Okay, designing the React component. Designing involves the two important segment. What are those two segments? First is UI, user interface. Second is UX, that is user experience. Now, if you have to define them in a single line, what is user interface? User UI decides that how your website will look, including colors, fonts, designs, and other. Means UI is the beauty parlor actually. User experience means UX defines how a user will find it easy, will find the website or app easy to use. Easy to use. Now, I have seen people who never went to school, they are easily using WhatsApp. They are easily using Facebook. Why? User experience. Children will create their account. They will say just scroll only. It's very easy. Scroll. If you want reels, click on this. Scroll, scroll, scroll. You will get reels. This is what they know, right? User experience. How easily you are able to use it. Now let's talk with respect to React, that what we will do in the designing of component. In React, using the styles or creating the styles is bit different from the traditional style. Is bit different from the traditional styles. There are several ways of using There are several ways of using styles in React. Some of them are mentioned below. Ways are same: inline, internal, external, CSS module and frameworks. But using them is different. So first one is inline style. We are not saying inline CSS. We are saying inline style, internal style, external style, CSS module, libraries, CSS frameworks like Bootstrap. These are the ways of designing a React component. Inline, but what we have seen that day, inline CSS does not work in React, but we will make it work by converting our style from CSS to React. Something we need to change. We cannot use classes in React. We use class name. We can't use on click. So we are using on click in this way. We cannot use on click in this way. This is how you will write a function them, right? So we will write function in this way. Something we need to change for giving the inline style. We'll see that part tomorrow. Okay. I'll update this as a task that you have to complete the Zerodha website. This is easy one to use. There is not even a single logic in this. 3 dynamic projects we have done: logical project, quiz app we have done, tic-tac-toe we have done, and rock paper we have done. So you have to develop all of these. Okay. Understood? UI UX, which one should be good, UI or UX? Both are important. You cannot ignore anyone, but UX should be very, very, very easy. You know what is the one thing that I like about Hyderabad? I have worked in almost all the IT hubs of India, not in India, foreign also. But why I stayed in Hyderabad only? The ease of working here, the ease of staying here. What I feel is staying in Hyderabad is easy than any other particular place. Go to Bangalore once, traffic very bad. If you think that Hyderabad traffic is bad, once stay in Mumbai and Bangalore, you will see. It takes 1 hour for 1 kilometer there. That much traffic. Second thing is the people's. Third thing is ease of doing your work. Here, if I'm traveling, no one is bothered about it. Simply, I can take up my bag and I can go anywhere. But these are the problems in other places. So what I find is it's easy. I stayed here and staying from a longer time. I stayed in Bangalore for 3-4 months. Same is with the Mumbai. Same is with the Pune. 2-3 months. Chennai like 1 month only. Yeah, because food is very nice there. I can't digest that much good food. And Coimbatore, sambar. These are the user experience here. See, I am a person who is not attached to materials. Like, okay, this is the monument in Hyderabad. Like, okay, fine. We are not going to travel, right? Hardly in a month or weekends we'll go. How you are passing your week, that is important. Monday to Friday or Saturday, what you are doing. ease of traveling here. Like I used to say that nothing is far in Hyderabad. Means if you want to go somewhere, you can easily go, except the airport. They built it very far in Shamshabad. Except that everything is nearby. Communication between the places is very easy here. Very easy. Travel. Fine, guys. Tomorrow we will travel over the React components styling, and tomorrow we'll understand how we can design it. We are going to see Bootstrap as well as Tailwind both. So don't worry about the designing part. If you already know about Bootstrap, don't worry. I will make you feel that you don't know. Because I will give you some detailed insight, right? You can leave now.